children.
The mighty, mighty children.
The mighty, mighty children.
Here to tell you.
Here to tell you.
Fighting for justice.
Fighting for justice.
And the future.
And our future.
This is my vision of 2020. To see unity, and that unity coming together and our youth starting it.
This was big. Everybody who walked, 800 plus students, are still energized after we walked all of Clearwater Beach. That's amazing. That's amazing. So really, speechless.
I'm so proud. I'm so ecstatic because all 17 high schools in Pinellas County coming together has never been done before. So I'm so glad I get to be a part of this.
The Selma movement in 1965 was a children's movement. We went to jail. We got beat. We marched.
Her speech was so moving. Just her experience and just everything about her was so crazy inspiring. I was so glad to be there.
Children, young people come out into their own power, recognize that they can change something and start working towards that change. When they went to every school in this school system and told about the ambassadorship and what it meant to them and how a unity march would strengthen us. It not only strengthened the children, it's strengthening the schools, the counties, and for people who are gonna see this all over the state of Florida or wherever they see it, it's gonna strengthen them as well.
Feeling real good.
This is a day to start change.
Thinking back to last year, and I don't believe we ever thought it would be something as big as this. And so to have the media, something we never asked for, but for all of the Tampa Bay area to be able to see what we're getting ready to do, it allowed us to achieve our goal, I believe, to recognize those who fought for civil and human rights, to celebrate their impact, and now to inspire. We haven't only inspired Pinellas County, but we've inspired the Tampa Bay area and maybe many more, so that's great.